Breaking news: Edison Ehie, the factional Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, tenders his resignation. In a letter dated 29 December 2023, Edison Ehie, the factional Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, tenders his letter to the National Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission, Plot 436, Zambezi Crescent, Maitama Crescent, Abuja, Federal Capital Territory. Sir, notice of resignation as Speaker and member representing RHOA East, Constituency 2 in the 10th River State House of Assembly. This is to formally notify you of my voluntary resignation as Speaker and member of the 10th River State House of Assembly representing RHOA East, Constituency 2 with effect from the date of this letter. I wish to deeply appreciate my colleagues and the people of the constituency for the fair opportunity to serve and hope to continue to give my utmost best in service to Rivers State subsequently. Kindly accept the assurance of my highest esteem at all times. Yours faithfully, Right Honorable Barrister Edison Ehie, DSSR, Speaker, Member, Rivers State House of Assembly, RHOA East Constituency 2. So this is actually a resignation letter that was tendered by Edison Ehie, who is the factional Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, the person who stood by Governor Fubara, the Rivers State Governor, over the trying times. Yes, you would recall that there was an agreement that was instituted by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in person of Bola Tinubu in favor of Nyesom Wike. Now, in one of the points of the agreement, it was stated that the former Speaker of the Rivers State Assembly in person of Martin Amewule remained the Speaker of the House of Assembly. Now, I believe that this is actually an offshoot of the agreement that was had by Fubara, the Governor of Rivers State, and this actually led to the resignation by Edison Ehie, who is the factional Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Do well to stand by because we'll be bringing you more updates as they come our way. My name is Moses and this is Think Tank TV. Thank you so much for watching.